nearly where it should be, but where it is not now. All right, so we're just going to go down to Start and then Settings, and then we're going to go down to Update and Security. Now, ordinarily, this is where the option to disable the automatic updates would actually be. Okay, but unfortunately, it is no longer actually here. All right, option's gone. So, to disable the automatic updating feature, all right, the first approach I'm going to show you will apply to Windows Home and Professional. Okay, the second approach will only apply to Professional. Okay, for Home and Professional, all right, what we're going to do is simply go down to Search and type in Control, and then click on the Control Panel Desktop app at the top of the results. Once the Control Panel opens, you're going to go to up to the upper right where it says View By, and you're going to change that to Large Icons. Okay. Next, after you've done so, you're going to go ahead and click on Administrative Tools right here. All right. Next, after that, you're going to locate services down the list. Double click on that to execute it. All right. Once the services window opens, well, the services snap in. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and locate the Windows Update service over on the left. So we're going to double click it. All right, now this actually controls the Windows updates. All right, so to stop it from doing the automatic updates, just simply click Stop. Okay. Now, if you just do it this way, it only applies to the local session. Okay, but if you want to permanently disable the automatic updating, go up to Startup Type and select Disable. Okay, and then just OK out of this. All right, and you can see down here now where it says it's actually disabled. Okay, now this will apply immediately after you do it. Okay, now if you ever want to re-enable the automatic updates, you're going to have to come right back to this area and then double click on Windows Update, change the startup type back to the way it was, automatic, delayed start, click Apply in the lower right while it takes its time, and then click Start to start it back up. Okay, then it will go right back the way it was before when it was installing updates in the background. Okay, now all right, and then like I said, this approach applies to Windows Home and Windows Professional. All right, second approach will only apply to Windows Professional. Second approach is by utilizing the group policies. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to press the Windows key in the lower left of your keyboard between the Control and Alt key, and then we're going to press the letter R's and Raymond together. Once the Run command opens, I'm going to type in MMC, which is M as in Michael, M as in Michael, C as in Charles, and then we're going to press Enter or click OK. We're going to click Yes at the UAC. All right, now this is the Microsoft Management the Microsoft Management Console. Sorry. So we're going to go ahead and expand this. We're going to enlarge it. So what you're going to do is click on File in the upper left, and then click on Add or Remove Snap-in. Next, you're going to scroll down the list on the left and double click on Group Policy Object, and then click Finish for the local computer, and then click OK. All right, next, we're going to go over to where I'm going to stretch this out just a little bit so we can see. All right, we're going to go ahead and expand local computer policy. All right, then we're going to expand computer configuration. All right, then we're going to expand administrative templates, and then we're going to finally expand Windows components. All right, let me stretch this out just a little bit more so we can still see. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down on the left a little bit, and we're going to double click on Windows Update. All right, next over on the right, we are going to locate Configure Automatic Updates. All right, should be the fifth one down. We're going to double click it. All right, now by default, this particular policy is not configured. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to enable it in the upper left, and then right down here under Configure Automatic Updating, we have some options now. All right, we have Notify for Download, Notify for Install, Auto Download and Notify for Install, Auto Download and Schedule to Install, and allow local admin to choose setting. Now what I'm going to do is select Notify for Download and Notify for Install. All right, this way it will prompt you to download and also prompt you to install the updates, thereby hopefully bypassing a lot of the bypassing some possible driver conflicts in the future. All right, so all you have to do at this point is click OK. All right, and you can see where it says it's enabled. All right, now after you've done this, you're going to have to go ahead and restart your system